Hi friends, good morning. My name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class, we will solve another Java problem using arrays. So I'll write the problem statement here. So first of all, user need to take an user input and user need to take two arrays, which is array of 1 and array of 2, and each having same size, and user need to check need to check from the end to first, from end to first, whether the values in the array of 1 and array of 1 not equal to array of 2. Yeah. So you have to check it. Which means array of 1 is not equal to array of 2. So this is the problems. So which means, for example, I am taking n is equal to 5. I'm taking n is equal to 5. I'm having array of 1 is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. And array of 2, we are having 10, 10, 20, 25, 35, and 53, and 53. So user need to check the whatever the values from ARR of 1 and ARR of 2. So you have to check it from and to first, and to first. See this ARR of 2 and ARR of 1. This both values are equal. No, right? So what is this index? Index is 4. Index is 4. So which means 4 is the output. 4 is the output. So at last, user need to print the index where array of 1 not equal to array of 2 from the end. So you have to print the index. So how index starts from? It will start from 0 and 1, 2, and we are having 3. We are having 4. We are having 4. So what is the index? So 4 is the index. See, we are coming from the ending, and you will check both AR1 and AR2. So here 50 is there, here 53 is there. So it's not equal to, right? So then the index is 4 will be output. For example, here also 50 is there, here also 50 is there. So these both are equal, right? So then we will go to the index 3. Here 40 is there, here 35 is there. Now what is the output? Output should be the. So in this way, you have to print it from the ending to first. So I hope you understand the problem statement. Let's write the code. So we will write this program using functions. So import java.util.start. So first of all, we have to take the n value, right? We have to take the n value, which is why we have to use scanner. Scanner sc.new scanner. System.in, and in n is equal to sc.next int, and here I will take here I will take air of 1 is equal to sc.next int, and I will go to for loop int I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, and here I will store air of 1 is equal to air of 1 of I is equal to sc.next int, sc.next int. So we have taken the air of 1. So now we have to take the air of 2. The same thing. Air of 2 is equal to sc.next int. We know, right, how to give the syntax for array. You have to do int square brackets in the variable name. So whatever the variable name which you choose, you can choose, and you have to write sc.nextInt. And to push the values in the array, so you have to go on to the for loop from 0 to n, and you have to give air of 1. So whatever the array you want to push these values, so you have to write air of 1 of I is equal to sc.nextInt. That's it. So the same thing should be repeated to air of 2 also. So I will just copy this thing, and I will change the variable name. That's it. That's it. We have taken two arrays. We have taken two arrays. So now I will take result as the variable, and to check last index value from array. So this is my function to check last index values from arrays. So here I will pass the variable names. So what is the first variable name? N, and I will pass air of 1 and air of 2. So which means I am passing this n value, and I am passing like whatever this values which is stored in air of 1. So I am passing those values into the function air of 1, like to check last index values from arrays. So I am sending these values to this also, and we are having another for loop which is air of 2 sc.nextInt. So I have to pass these values to this function one. So I have to pass this values to this function also. So I have written the air of 2, air of 2. So I will write, I will print the result. I will print the result. Print the result. Yeah, I will print the result. So now I will write the function. So I hope you understand. So this is the air of 1 and this is the air of 2, and I have written a variable result, and I will give the function name to check last index values from arrays, and I will pass the n value air 1 values and air of 2 values in that function, and simply I will print that function. So what is the function have to do? That we have to write in this function. So I'll write public static. So we want index, right? So index is a number, right? So the return type should be public static int. Just I will copy the function name like this, and you have to come here and you have to write here to check last index values from arrays. And here I will write int n. So we have given the n value AR of 1, AR of 2, right? So we have to just specify the data type for that values. So this function don't know, right? So what is n, what is AR of 1 and AR of 2. So what's this? So that we have to specify. It is an integer array. It is an integer array. So array, how you have to write? So you have to specify the square brackets like this. That's it. So in square brackets and AR of 2. AR of 2. So we wrote the function. We wrote the function. We wrote the function. So here I will traverse on the for loop of this I will traverse on the on the arrays on the array, so which is up to till n, right? Till n, right? So we are having n value also here, so we are using that n value, and I will traverse here, and here I will check if air of air of 1 of I not equal to air of 2 of I, then I have to return the answer, right? So for that I will use variable int answer is equal to 0. First I'm taking answer value is 0. I'm assuming it. I'm assuming it. So if it is not equal to, I will write answer is equal to I. Answer is equal to I. So why I'm writing I? So we want index, right? We want index, right? So we will check that number, this number is equal or not. If it is not equal, then we have to choose that index, not the value. So that's why I'm writing I here. So until this for loop check all the values and it will return the answer. It will return the answer. It will return the answer. So I hope you understand, friends. So what I have written? So I have written public static int to say class index value from array, and I have written int n, int array of 1, array of 2. So I am go on to the array, like or go on to the array by using for loop until n, and I will check each and every values from array of 1 and array of 2 by using if condition. If it is not equal to from the, so here we have to check from the ending, right? We have to check it from ending. So we wrote a wrong code. So we have to check it from ending, right? See here. We have to check it from ending, right? So, but we are checking from forward like this. So we will get a wrong answer. So we have to check it from ending. So it starts from n minus 1. It should be, I should be greater than or equal to 0. And each time I should be minus. Sorry for the for loop. So we have to check it from the ending, right? So I hope you understand why I'm writing n minus 1, because the index is always starts from 4. Index is always starts from 4. The n value is 5, but the index always starts from 4. So that's why I'm writing 5 minus 1, 4. So I hope you understand. Sorry for the for loop. So we have to check it from the end. Yeah. I hope the program is completed. Let's run it. I hope there is no errors. C dot. So we are having air of 1 of I. Let's C dot next int. Sorry. So we have to take new int, right? Array. We have to take it new int. New int of size n. Sorry for the code. So you have to write new int. Sorry. So you have to write the new int. So let's run the program again. I have to now see there is no error. So first of all, I will give n value as 5. and I will give air of 1 with air of 1 is 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. So this is the first array. This is the first array. So now we have to give the second array. Second array, so which is 10, 20, and 30. So here I will give 42. Here I will give 42. So which means 0, 1, 2, 3. Third index should be the answer. And I will give 50. So the output should be 3. The output should be 3. See here. The output should be 3. See, we got the index as 3. We got the index as 3. So let us run this program again, and I will give the another inputs so that you people understand. So I will give 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and I will give first 12, right? So I will give 12, and I will give 20, 30, 40, 50. See here, so 10 here having, and we are having here 12. So the index 0 should be the answer. Index 0 should be the answer. Why? Because here we are having from the index 0, we are having 10 here, air of 1. And from the index 0, air of 2, we are having 12, which is not equal to, right? It will check from the end. If we are having 50, 50, 40, 40, 30, 30, 20, 20. But here, in the 10th index, we are not having the same numbers. So just we have to press enter here. See, we got 0th index. We got the 0th index. So this is how we can use the arrays in functions, and you can solve the required problem. So I hope you understand the code. And if you have any doubts, please comment in the chat. I will definitely help you out. And if you think this video is helpful for you, please like the video, and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel, and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you will not get notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.